Summer Flowers by LIOBA BRüCKNER in 40 by 54 cm rounds. Special treatment, version 3. We have 3 types of special beads on this painting as part of the April Aura promo when this painting first came out as a new design at the shop. This came free with the purchase of the painting. So let's talk about version 1. We start with ice crystals that we have sprinkled in the background. These are the blue crystals that we see shimmering. So sprinkle it in the blue areas of the background for version 1. For version 2, we have apple crystals that we have sprinkled on the large yellow flowers on top of the pictures. So simply place it on there. And remember, when you sprinkle, kind of make it so that it looks like it follows the painting's gradient form. That way it doesn't look like a polka dot petal, but it looks like it's following how the artist has painted the flowers, hence the term sprinkling. And finally, for version 3, we have morganite crystals that we have sprinkled on the pink areas of the flowers, right over here as well, and over here, and over there. And so altogether, this is version 3 of Summer Flowers. Ice crystals, apple crystals, and morganite crystals.